Padel has exploded in popularity over the last few years, and if you play regularly, you know how much a good racket changes your game. One wrong choice can make every swing feel heavy, your volleys inconsistent, and your smashes weak. But the right racket, suddenly every shot feels smooth, every point easier, and every match way more fun. What's up guys, my name is Kyle, and welcome back to Epic Deals, where we don't just show you products, we break them down so you can play smarter, hit harder, and get the most bang for your buck. Today, we're going to cover the best paddle rackets by category. Whether you prioritize control, power, all-around versatility, or just want lightweight comfort. We'll also cover the best beginner options so you can start improving your game from day one. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which racket fits your style, your skill level, and your budget, and which one is worth every penny. So let's dive in. Best for control, precision, and tactical mastery. Adidas Metalbone Ctrl 2026. If your style is all about tactics, placement, and outsmarting your opponent, the Adidas Metalbone Ctrl 2026 is a perfect choice. Round head shape, the most forgiving design in paddle, expanding the sweet spot for soft touches, volleys, and controlled shots. 16K carbon face, offers consistent response across the surface. The perfect mix of stiffness for power and softness for touch. Balanced weight, slightly headlight, giving you quick reactions at the net and stable control on long rallies. This racket rewards players who think 2 steps ahead. It's about finesse, not just about smashing the ball. Every drop, shot, lob, and slice feels accurate, giving you confidence in high pressure points. Another control superstar is the Nox AT10 Genius 12K. 12K twill carbon, soft and more tactile than 16K, offering unmatched feedback on every hit. Vibradrive system dampens unwanted vibrations so your shot feels smooth and precise. Forgiving sweet spot. Even off-center hits maintain accuracy. Perfect for players who value placement over power. This racket is ideal for strategists. It's like having the ball read your mind. Every touch is precise and responsive. Now we're moving on to best for power. Smashes and aggressive play. Bullpadel Hack 04 2026. If your game is about smashing winners, dominating points, and putting opponents under pressure, you need a racket built for pure power. Diamond shape, concentrates weight at the top, generating incredible smash speed. HPC core, it has a dense core for explosive hits, and dynamic structural reinforcement. Reinforced carbon layers deliver maximum energy transfer to the ball. Power rackets are less forgiving, but in the hands of someone with decent technique, they can decimate rallies and give you the edge in every match. Another high-octane option is the Siux Fenix Pro 2026. High-density carbon fibers. Rigid surface ensures that every swing hits like a cannon. Comfort foam. Slightly softer core to keep the racket manageable despite its power. Reinforced frame. Stability during high-speed smashes. This racket is perfect if your goal is to control the point through aggression. Smash after smash, while maintaining a comfortable feel. The best all-rounder for balance and versatility. Bullpadel Vertex 5 Hybrid. Not everyone wants to pick a side between control and power. Hybrid shape combines a round top with slight diamond weight distribution. Molded multi-density foam core. Softer at edges for control and firm in the center for power. Medium balance. Confidence at the net and stability during smashes. This racket works for intermediate to advanced players and anyone who does not want to compromise. It's reliable, versatile, and ready for any type of match. Best for beginners. Comfort, forgiveness, and confidence. Nox X-One Evo 2026. For new players, confidence is key, and the X-One Evo 2026 nails it. Round head design maximizes the sweet spot for easier hits. Soft core absorbs vibration and minimizes fatigue, forgiving impact. Even off-center shots still go where you want. A racket like this helps beginners learn faster, avoid frustration, and enjoy the game more. Another beginner-friendly pick is the Adidas CrossFit Team Light. Lightweight frame reduces fatigue for longer practice sessions. Balanced control and power lets you experiment with serves, volleys, and smashes without fear. Comfort grip reduces strain for extended play. Both of these rackets are perfect for anyone just starting out who wants fun, confidence, and skill improvement. Best lightweight comfort, effortless endurance. The Oxdog Ultimate Pro Light is unmatched. Ultra lightweight, effortless swing and quicker reaction time. Smooth feedback lets you perfect technique quickly. Balanced sweet spot, forgiving but performance focused. Comfort grip reduces hand strain during extended rallies. This racket is perfect for players who value speed, precision, and comfort above everything else. How to choose the right paddle racket? Before you decide, ask yourself: skill level, beginner, intermediate, or advanced? Play style, power hitter, tactical control, or all-rounder? Weight preference, lightweight comfort, or heavier for extra smashes? Match frequency, long games or multiple matches per day? Matching your racket to your playing style and needs can instantly improve your game. Here's the quick recap. Best for control: Adidas Metalbone Ctrl 2026 and the Nox AT10 Genius 12K. Best for power: Bullpadel Hack 4 2026, Siux Fenix Pro 2026. Best all-rounder: Bullpadel Vertex 5 Hybrid. Best for beginners: Nox X-One Evo 2026, Adidas CrossFit Team Light. And the best for lightweight and comfort: Oxdog Ultimate Pro Light 2026. Whether you're looking to dominate with power, outsmart opponents with control, or play comfortably for hours, one of these rackets fits your game. Check the description below for direct links and exclusive deals. The best prices don't last long, so get yours now. Just so you know, these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. Using these links helps the channel so we can continue bringing you free content like this. If this guide helped, hit that like button and subscribe to Epic Deals. We're always hunting for the best gear, the best deals, and expert insight so you never overspend on average equipment ever again. See you in the next Epic Deal.